Oakland RQI. We're the building on the corner of Oakland and Santa Clara Avenue. Our address is 154 Santa Clara Avenue. You want to go to the back of the building. You're going to see the parking lot. And once you turn into the parking lot, you can have any open spot on the right side. Once you park your vehicle, you'll see a pagoda with the address 154 Santa Clara Avenue. You'll see the signs for safety training seminars. Come down the stairs. You'll see a keypad where you enter your code. If the deadbolt here is locked, there are 2 lock boxes on either side of the door. So what you want to do is enter the code that's provided to you. Open. And once you're inside, we're the first door on the left side. Once again, enter the code that's provided to you. Enter the classroom. The lights will turn on automatically. You'll see the RQI setup, and there's plenty of equipment and gloves for you to begin your RQI skill test.